1981 AMC Spirit. I'm buying the trailer and the car, $2,200 bucks. I'll give the car to my dad though, but it's actually in really good shape. It's got 46,000 original miles on it. It's a 4-cylinder.
That's all right.
Look at that. It's like brand new.
You don't want to run on either two of these.
No.
Washes down the cylinders. Yeah, she's good running.
It's definitely pretty cool.
I drove. Pretty cool, isn't it? Around a little bit.
Been really good. The underneath of it's still yellow. The bottom.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was looking at.
Be fun to drive.
Oh yeah.
That 4-cylinder probably run forever too.
Yeah, everything works. The wipers are metal to the glass, so you might want to. Yeah, no.
It's crazy.
You need the key to open the back.
Yeah, this is one of the first hatchbacks they made.
Yeah, what you do
This and the Pinto.
You do need the gases out of the struts, the props here, so when you pick it up, you let go, it comes flying down. You need to put the struts on, but they're just universal struts. Yep. Pretty cool.
Can you put a turbo on this motor?
No.
I think you can now.
Yeah, you probably can because it's a Chevy engine.
42,000 original miles. This thing is pretty cool. Definitely don't have AC. See, it's got a Chevy 4-cylinder motor in it. No power steering. Let's get it home. This guy's got tons of stuff here. This is a 16-foot Checkmate with a 115 on it. He said it does 65. But he don't want to sell it. It's his toy. 94 Wave Runner. Can't really see it, but then he has this boat here. Oh, it's too old for me. And then, I mean, it's got a new motor on it, but I'm sure he'll want like thousands of dollars. Then I just bought this trailer. $200 I offered him. He said, yeah. So, and I think it's got an extra axle there in that trailer, but at $200, it's worth it. All right, so we just put gas in it because the guy drained the gas tank. Let's see if this thing runs. Pump the gas. Hold it to the floor, maybe. Come on, baby. I think it's gonna go. I think so. Look at that, it's going. No, we'll do it. I think it will go. Just got to get the gas up to the carb. Smells like it's getting flooded.
Yeah, it freezes in there.
Yeah, take that off.
These things, the choke, it has a choke. You step into the floor once.
Why is that up? Oh, whatever. Then couldn't even. I'm sitting for years. I don't know. Can you hold it?
Yeah, I can hold the choke on. You got a 2-barrel.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna hold the choke on. It's idling. Alright, well, so the situation is we're not getting gas. Does run, but it might need an accelerator pump. So we're gonna try to get it going. See, we gave it a little love tap on the carburetor and see. Take 5. That's what I'm wondering. Oh wait, the emergency brake was on. He had the emergency brake on. Almost. It's running now. Oh, damn. Probably got old. It smells. I mean, we filled the tank with new gas, but.
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulders.